Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I will show you how to boost your FPS in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Now I'm getting around 80 to 90 FPS with these settings right here. If you wanna pause the video and check my settings. In this video I will show you how to boost your FPS and get that extra 20 to 30 FPS on your PC. It doesn't matter what kind of computer or machine you're using, with no specific specs. So let's get straight into it. So in order to boost your FPS, all you have to do is go to your desktop and right click, then go to NVIDIA control panel, wait for it to load, then go to 3D settings, adjust image settings with preview, and use my preference, emphasizing that, and drag this all the way to performance. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll a little bit down, go to power management mode and hit prefer maximum performance, then apply. And then go to your NVIDIA Shadow Play software and go to your game, in this case Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Hit details and then go to this here icon and drag this all the way to performance and then apply. Then let's boot our game up. So we're in a custom game right now, and as you can see on the top left corner of the screen, it boosted all the way from 80 FPS to around 150 FPS, and that will give you a huge advantage against your enemy if you're a competitive player like me, and that will help you a lot. And that was it for this video guys. Please like, subscribe if this was helpful, comment if you have any issues.